Welcome to Shipping Solutions Export Documentation and Compliance Software. The Shipping Solutions Professional Data Exchange Manager, or DXM, has several setup options. This video explains how to set up the Data Exchange Manager using text files. So let's get started. To get started, click the Admin tab and then Set up Data Exchange Manager. Select an existing project or create a new project. I am going to edit a project called Text1. In the File Type box, I've chosen Text Delimited, and first I'll show you the file-based processing type. Select your delimiter, either pipe, tab, or comma, and mine is a pipe. Check this box if you have column names in your header and detail files. Tell the DXM where your header file is located by clicking this button and navigating to the location of your file. Do the same for the detail file. In a file-based setup, your text files need to be saved in the same location with the same name every time. Now I'll show you what the setup looks like if you choose the folder processing type. Instead of identifying specific files, locate the folder where your text files will be. With the folder-based setup, you have to name the header and detail files consistently so they can be identified. Either the beginning or end of the name can be the consistent part. In this case, all of my header files begin with the word header, and all of my line item detail files begin with the word detail. Click the Preview button to take a look at your data to make sure it loaded properly. If your data doesn't look nice and organized like this, then it may not be in the proper format. You also need to identify a location for the files to be moved to after they have been processed. In the file-based processing type, this location is optional, but in the folder-based, it is required. Now you must map the fields in your text files to the Shipping Solutions fields, so click Mapping. The Shipping Solutions fields are divided into 6 tables. Start with Contacts. The Shipping Solutions fields are listed here. Click the drop-down list, and you will see your column headings. For each Shipping Solutions field, choose the corresponding field in your text file. So I will choose ID type, ID number, the company name, the address, etc. You need to map every field that you want pulled in from your text file, but you can skip any fields that you don't have data for. Click Save and then choose the next table. So here I will enter in a date, and etc. with all the information that I have about this shipment, and then I will click Save and move on to the next table. Your header file data is mapped in all the tables except the product info table, which is where the line item details are mapped. So we can go into the product info table and map some product information, such as product ID, product description, and quantity. And then I will click Save. Click View Mapping to see the fields that you have mapped. And if you click View All Fields, you will see all of the fields that are available to be mapped. This table is also shown in the user guide. So we'll close the mapping screen. There is one more important feature on this setup screen. If you are missing product data in your ERP system, you can store that data in the Shipping Solutions database and check this box to instruct the DXM to add that data to the information pulled in from the text files. Click the Setup button and you can see which fields you can pull in from the product database. So for example, if you don't have a Schedule B number in your ERP system, you can store it in the product database, check this box, and then it will be pulled in when the DXM is run. For more information, watch the other Data Exchange Manager videos or give us a call at 888-890-7447. Thank you for watching.